Look, 3 pipe cleaners. BU tilde they've turned into a cute little fox. Oh my, is this really made from ordinary pipe cleaners? It's just too cute. Pet the little tummy. Take a white pipe cleaner and fold down about 2 centimeters at one end. Then fold it horizontally twice, about 1 centimeter. Just a quick note here, you can refer to the previous video for how to make the head. It's simpler. Twist the end tightly. Use an awl to poke a larger hole in the middle of the 2 loops. Wrap 2 ears, about 1.3 centimeters in length. Insert the pipe cleaner from the left side of the hole, leaving 1.3 centimeters out. Then insert it from the right side. Then take the pipe cleaner and wrap it around the 2 ears from the back. Wrap it to the back and insert it into the end to secure it. Use an awl to poke a larger hole horizontally. Thread the pipe cleaner through to round out the head. Thread it up from the middle, wrap it over the top of the head, and then thread it into the middle of the 2 loops folded at the beginning. Thread it horizontally from the front to round out the face. Then thread it through the back of the head to continue rounding out the head. Finally, thread it in from the bottom to secure it. The head is done. Before trimming, the head looks so ugly. Haha. Take another pipe cleaner, fold it in half, and twist it to make a tail. Then fold out 2 hind legs horizontally, about 1.3 centimeters. Twist the body part 3 times, no more than that. Then fold out 2 front legs horizontally. After the body is done, attach the head. Twist the excess pipe cleaner from the head tightly around the body. Twist the excess pipe cleaner from the body tightly around the body as well. First wrap it vertically downwards, go around the bottom and come back. Then twist it horizontally to tighten the body.